chrome. All the way down. There we go. Yeah, that tech drive's got a problem. Ow! Pop. Watch that there rock. About hit a rock. That would have tore up my fan. Don't need that. Since I bring this one over here, it runs pretty good. Shout out to my friend Kirby Enthusiast here on YouTube. He also has a second channel, Retro Gamer, or Retro Gaming, whatever it is. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.